Hello everyone and welcome to a new video with the W123 Mercedes. I'm sitting in the seat again, doing a little quick POV drive, but this time it's not POV like on my head, but it's another POV than that I do with all my videos, but yeah, I think I'm just going to drive and we'll see. We'll see. We're gonna drive. I don't know what we'll see. It's kind of foggy outside, so I think we'll almost see nothing. But okay, let's start the engine. Oh, nice. Oh, that was cute. There were a little two old people driving a very slow car, and they were waving at me. Don't mind my English; it's not the best, but yeah, we're just gonna drive. Not talking that much, just driving and enjoying the ride. I hope you like this other POV style. Never tried it before, but maybe you like it, maybe you like it not. The only bad thing is that you can't see the road. You can see the hood of the car, but you can see the beautiful landscape around us a little bit. It's very foggy outside. Very foggy. I can show you. Look at this. You almost see nothing. But yeah, it's an enjoying ride. Besides that, it is foggy. It's a nice day. It's Sunday, so no stress. Just drive. On camera you almost see nothing. Oh yo. Yeah, in reality I also see almost nothing, but on camera it looks even more cloudier, even more foggy, or how I had to say that. My English is not the best, like I said, but it has something. Driving in this cloudy weather has something too. I'd rather drive in sunny weather or something, but yeah, it's both having something. In summertime, there always are cows running over this road, so sometimes I had to stop and let them go through, but yeah, they won't go away. They'll stand on the road and watching you, and yeah, you have to horn, or how I say that. You have to horn, klaxon. Let me know how to say. You have to do this, horn. You have to press the horn, I don't know. But yeah, it's now you can see something from it. But in summertime it's nice, all the cows, and yeah, it has something that they're on the road. I'm going to put in a sport, and I'm going to do a quick acceleration. There it comes. switch it back in drive, so otherwise it will go a little bit high in RPMs. That's not so nice for the engine. But yeah, it's slow, but it still keeps up with traffic, and I like it. Let's watch on the how do I say that? This is a little harbor. I don't know how to say it in English, but yeah, a place where you can put your boat, and there's water. In Dutch, I know the words. It's called haven, but in English, I'm like I said, my English is bad. I don't know, but it's a cute, tiny place. There's not much to see right now, but normally it's nice. It's a cute little tiny haven in Dutch. Where should we go? Left or right? Yeah, I think you can't answer that question, or you can answer it in the comments, but I can't read it right now, so I haven't posted my video yet. It's kind of busy on a Sunday with foggy weather. I thought that there wasn't gonna be any person on the roads with this weather, but it's kind of busy. I think I'm going to stop the car here and do a quick walk around. There we are. It's a little road side thing here. I don't know how to call it, but oh yeah, I'll keep the engine running. Let's do a quick walk around. It's a little bit windy right now, but I hope you can hear me. Yeah, it's a beautiful car. I love it. It's simple, not that much details, but yeah, I love it. I like the round windows of the round headlights. Sorry, I kind of like it. What I don't like is this bump in the side. Someone drove against it. That was not so nice. And I was busy with fixing the rust and that kind of things. So I had to take off the bumper. But when I take off the bumper, there was a little screw that was fallen in here. That was fallen in here. I don't know how to say it, but and then I have to open this and stuff. I thought I fix that later in spring or something. But yeah, I hope you don't mind my English. It's very, very bad, but yeah, this is it. Here you have the beautiful magazines. Oh, like a hot, kind of hot. Very solid car. I love it. All right, and we're gonna put it off. Sometimes it's nice to turn it off because now you don't hear anything. It's also nice. I like the engine sound, but this is also nice sometimes. But yeah, I hope you like this video. Let me know in the comments what you wanna see next video, and yeah, like, subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.